The QV House Price Index for January 2016 shows that home values continue to rise in the outer fringe areas of Auckland, of Rodney, Papakura and Franklin, and also around most other parts of the country. However, for the first time in more than a year, we are seeing values starting to decrease over the past month in Auckland Central, Waitakere, Manukau and the North Shore. This could in part be due to the seasonal impact of the Christmas holiday period, but it's more likely to be a continuation of the dampening in the market that we saw following the introduction of the new rules to curb investor activity by the Reserve Bank and the government back in October 1 last year, as well as the impact of the restrictions on the flow of capital out of China by the Chinese government back in September last year. The question is, how long will this downturn in Auckland values last, given that the underlying factors driving the market still remain, such as high net migration, in fact record high net migration, low interest rates, and also a lack of housing supply across the city. February and March are usually the busiest months in the housing market, so it'll be interesting to see if this downturn in Auckland values is short-lived and whether values will start rising again over the next couple of months. To the other main centres now, Wellington values continue to accelerate, rising 4.8% over the past 3 months alone. There's massive interest in property down there at the moment, but listings levels are critically low, with only half as many properties on the market for sale as there were this time last year. There is good activity and optimism in both the Christchurch and Dunedin housing markets, and values there also continue to rise, but at a lower rate than in the capital. The recent price hikes in Auckland continue to be prevalent in the surrounding regions, with values showing significant growth in places like the Waikato district, which rose 9.2% over the past 3 months alone. In the South Island, the Queenstown Lakes district saw the highest value growth over the past 3 months, rising 5.2%, and the nearby Clutha district saw values rise 4.2% over the past 3 months as well. The only place to see values decrease over the past 3 months around the country were the Gisborne district and also the West Coast districts of Buller, Grey and Westland, and also the Huranui district in Canterbury. More information in the full QV House Price Index report for January 2016 is available to download on our website, and the next report will be out on Tuesday, March the 1st.